Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are doing our Battle of the Boxes. Beauteque's box is always a month behind, so this is May's box versus June's BoxyCharm. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And don't forget, all the information for these boxes will be in the box below. They're not affiliate links or anything like that. They're just information for you. All right, the theme of this box is Under the Sea. Yes, they have prices in there, and I love when they do that because I hate when they don't. The first thing I see is by S-Folio, and this is the Sea Grape Marine Water Daily Toner. And I just ordered a toner because I didn't have any. So, right, it is deep moisturizing, vitalizing, firming, and hydrating. This retails for $18.99. All right, the next thing I see is by Epois, I'm not sure. This is the, I love anything that says cloud in it. This is the Dewdrop Clouding Cream. This facial cream provides lightweight hydration without weighing skin down or feeling greasy. Apply face morning and night as needed, and it retails for $14. I'm intrigued by the whole cloud thing, so let's see what this actually looks like. I feel like it's gonna be like a gel type of cream. It just looks like kind of a regular cream. Okay, they're right. That doesn't feel greasy at all, but it feels very, very like hydrating, like my skin was really parched and needed that. The next thing I see is a Collagen Wrinkle Eye Cream by Mediflower. And this gentle brightening formula treats fine lines and dark circles. The star ingredients are hydrolyzed collagen, hyaluronic acid, star anise, and adenosine, whatever that is. Ooh, I'll definitely use that too. You can always use a good eye cream. That retails for $11.99. And then we have here, ooh, fun. Mungkunghwa Dead Sea Mineral Salt Soap. Ooh, I wonder if this is for your face. I love bar soaps for your face. I don't know why. Dead Sea minerals are full of magnesium, sodium, and potassium that help improve skin's overall health and appearance. That's fun though. This retails for $7.99. All right, the last two things are, oh, I just bought enough. Yes, I need one of these. My sleep mask that I'm in love with just broke, and I've been like pinning it together. So here we go with a sleep mask. This retails for $6.99, and it's a sleep mask. I will definitely use it, and it's adorable. All right, the next is a mask kind of set. This is a 3-step hydrating kit, and it's from Skin Planet. It retails for $4.99. It comes with an eye cream, sleeping pack, and a hydrating mask. That was a really good box. I liked pretty much everything in it. So, on with BoxyCharm. This month's theme is Caribbean Queen. First product in here is by Sol de Janeiro, and this retails for $10. It's like a deluxe sample size, I guess, or a travel size. This formula is incredible. I can't say enough good things about the way this feels, but I don't like the smell. So I'll be saving this for a giveaway. All right, the next thing in here, ooh, comes like, it looks like a little jewelry. Oh, it's lashes, how cute. Oh, these are pretty. Okay, so these are the Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. These retail for $28, and they're lashes. These are very pretty, and they're real like thin and wispy, which I like. I just can't get away with like the thick, like doll long ones. I just can't. Maybe I can try these. Oh, fun. The next is a set of Luxie brushes. These retail for $42, and it's the 3-piece Flawless Complexion set. I feel like I have one of these though. All right, so we have the 516 Duo Fiber brush, the 660 Precision Foundation brush, although I don't think I would ever put foundation on with this, but I can find some use for it. And the 522 Tapered Highlighting Brush, which I already have, so I will save this one for a giveaway. All right, so these are very nice brushes, and I really do like Luxie brushes, so I will definitely use those. The next is by Agente Bleu, and this is a dark brown eyeliner pencil. Ooh, and this is like very dark brown, and it's not too creamy, but it's not too dry either. That's really nice. I'll definitely use this too. I like when brown colors are like that dark espresso cool brown instead of warm brown. And this retails for $5. All right, ooh. All right, we have a beautiful Ofra liquid lipstick. This is in the color Verona. We will definitely swatch this. Ooh, this is pretty. This is like a deep nude color. We'll definitely put that in my to-use pile. And the last thing, yes. Okay. If you follow Kathleen Lights, she just spoke about this. I don't know if it's this exact one, although I hope it is. Her friend, who's a makeup artist, came out with this collection. And this is the A la Mer Reina del Caribe. I butchered that. This is a $28 palette. It has 8 opaque shades. 4 are metallic, 4 matte, and they're beautiful. I will absolutely use this. What do I do? Those are both really good boxes. Crap. Can I do a tie? I'm gonna do a tie because those are really incredible boxes. Okay, so congratulations, BoxyCharm and Beauteque. You did it! World's best cup of coffee. Alright guys, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.